Please, my people, kindly watch this video I'm about to show you. The name of this man is Honorable Alex Mascot Ikweche, a House of Representatives member representing Aba North and South Federal Constituency. Please watch.
Can you imagine this rat? I can make this man to disappear in the whole Nigeria, nothing will happen. Can you imagine this rat? I'm not going to give this boy 1 naira of my money. No. I'm not going to give this silly boy 1 naira of my money.
You've been insulting me, and I'm being quiet.
I pray that you do. I pray that you insult me. Can you please insult me? I'm not going to call my policemen to beat you up. I will beat you up. I will show you that I'm a big brother to you. I will slap the hell out of you and I will lie you down, lock you in my generator house. How dare you?
Why should you do that?
Who the hell do you know who you're talking to? Do you know where you are? Because you saw me sitting outside here.
It doesn't matter, sir. Pay me, let me go.
Look at this monkey.
I don't care what I am.
Are you even looking at me that you can beat me? Or are you looking at me? What? Who the hell do you think you're talking to? Do you know who I am? I'm a senator of this republic. Do you know who the fuck I am? How dare you?
Are you slapping me, sir?
You see this place? You suffer. I'll deal with you.
Are you slapping me, sir?
I just did. Slap me back.
Okay.
How dare you? How dare you? How dare you?
That's fine.
Do you know who I am?
That's fine.
How dare you?
Did you just slap me 3 times, sir?
So I think you can see.
You should receive it.
This is where we find
ourselves. How dare you?
This is where we find ourselves. It shouldn't be.
I need my payment, sir.
Ilé yóò make sense kò dáa. Ilé yóò dáa. This is the constituency you are representing. This might even be one of the people that voted for you. This is inhumane. Kò yẹ kó rí báyìí now. Odidi honorable. They said you lead by example. Be a good person. You are telling people to be. Because most times it is your action that people want to really follow, not what you say. If you cannot help people, don't add to their problem now. He didn't come to your house to come and beg. He was at his own service, and that is his own office. Me, I don't support the guy being rude, if in any way he's rude or whatsoever, maybe due to his utterance or something. But normally, shebi this honorable can send one of his aides or one of his staff or any of his workers to come to go and get that stuff from the guy. If actually he did not want to like have a conversation with the guy, kò fẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀. Ó wò pé òun tóbi, òun ga jù lọ, òun ṣe level ẹ̀, òun ò dẹ̀ fẹ́ ní any confrontation pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. It's a thing tó lè sọ pé okay, oh yeah, hey, one of you guys should go and get that thing for me. Someone who is trying to survive, who is trying to take care of, ó lè jẹ́ bàbá ẹnìkan, might be one of family's head. This is totally wrong. I'm a Muslim. Nínú ẹ̀sìn tèmi, nínú religion tiwa, you are not allowed to slap people. You are not allowed to slap someone in their face. It is wrong. Because it's a total abuse of power. And it is forbidden for every good Muslim. So how can a politician come outside and be slapping the citizen? No matter how much you are tempted, no matter, even let's say the guy was rude to you, there's a way of dealing with people. Me, when I was doing my Uber stuff, na the also way me I don't do before, but then ṣe Uber, èmi máa ń pọ́n ẹni tí mo bá lọ deliver fún abẹ́ni tí mo bá gbé, mo máa ń pọ́n lé, bí pé ó gbà mí, like the person hire me, I'm working with the person permanently. But ẹlòmíì wà tó yẹ pé kò lè ṣe, maybe he will sit down in his car, then you have to come and get your stuff. Ẹlòmíì wà tó yẹ pé bóun ṣe operate nìyẹn. That is how he can do his own operation. It doesn't mean we should now be intoxicating with power and beating them up. And the first slap, second slap, third slap. This is too bad to me. The way I view it, it is very, very bad. As a lawmaker, it's just like a lawmaker breaking law. They call you a lawmaker, then you are breaking the law. And you even have the guts to tell the guy that you will make him disappear from the surface of this nation, and nothing will happen. That means we are just putting our enemy in power. We are putting our enemies in the law to be governing us, to be ministering us, or to be seen to our affairs. If you have that opportunity that, okay, God really bless you, then you are fortunate enough to be you are fortunate enough to be in a particular position. That doesn't mean you should see other people like rats, like they are not existing. After calling him all sort of names, you now started slapping him. I even said you are going to make him disappear. That they are not. It is not going to be seen again, and nothing will now happen. That means you are above the law. You can do and undo. You can do anything. This is concerning. This is heartbreaking. It shouldn't be Kodao. Please don't forget to subscribe to Akot TV, please. I'll be bringing more videos and tips and informations like this. Thank you very much.